Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable anonymous post in Facebook group. For this you need to be admin of this group. As you can see, this is one of my group, and here you can see this option. While you want to post something, you will get this option anonymous post, and by clicking here you can create any post that will be anonymous. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature in your group. Alright, so as you can see that inside my group there is no option to do the anonymous post right now because I have already disabled it. So to enable this, you just need to go to your Facebook group. You can just go to your group and you must be admin of the group, and then from the left side you just go to this setting button and then click on this setting. So once you go inside the setting, you will get some option, and if you just scroll a little below, you can see this option features. So inside the feature box you will get this option anonymous posting. So once you are here, you just need to click on this pen icon, and then just you need to turn this on. As you can see, this is, and there is also how it works. It will tell all the discussion and all the details about this feature. So I just turn it on and then click on save. That's it. Now you just go back to your group and now refresh the page again. As you can see, we are not getting the option, but we need to refresh one time. So I'm just refreshing my page. Now you can see the button that it show up inside our group and also where we want to post, and this button is available to everyone who is our group member. And now we can just do any post from here, just clicking on this and then create post, and it will not show our name when we post something. Like you can see group participant, these only show name to the group admins and moderators for verification, but to the other group members it will not show the names. So this was the tutorial how you can enable the anonymous group posting in Facebook group. I hope this video helped, and if you learned something new, do hit the like button, and if you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys on the next video.